Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to remove guided access button in Control Center using iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the Control Center, then tap. Then after that, in the Control Center, go to Included Controls, then find the Guided Access. And as you will see, there's a negative sign on the side of it. Then all you have to do is just tap it. Then click the Remove. And your Guided Access button is now removed in your Included Controls. And if you want to check it in your Control Center, just drag down the right side of your screen. And as you will see that the guided access button is now removed in the Control Center. And that's it, we have successfully removed guided access button in Control Center using iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!